Alright, we're going to take a look at Falstad for lab number 41. Now, they do have a summing amplifier in there, but it's not a 2 op amp one, so we had to draw this one pretty much by hand, which was easy enough. I'll show you where most of this stuff is here, so you can go get it. But these are op amps, so you go to, of course, it went to circuits, blank circuit. Now I'm not going to click on blank circuit, or my circuit will go away. Went to active building blocks, and I chose whether minus on top or positive. And these are, let me get to your picture, 41.3. They're positive on bottom. So added 2 of those. Just follow the schematic. This is your 2 input AC source, or 2 output AC source. Anyway, it's under draw. It's under your sources. There we go. Voltage source 2 terminal AC. There it is. And grounds, of course, are up there. So this ground here and this ground here came from right there. And most of these others are just feedbacks. This output is under scopes. Draw, and under outputs, analog output. Again, don't forget to connect the dots, but you see here, and what I did was right click on this output and said view in scope, and right clicked on the source and said view in scope. And I stacked these down here, and you can see I hover over the top, it tells me it's AC source. I hover over the bottom, it's the output. So, and it actually highlights it up there as I hover over it. So you can see that kind of happen. So pretty easy, just a matter of dropping in components, wiring up the schematic, and making it happen, and making sure you follow the schematic. So pretty simple. That's it for lab 41.